Georgia, found me a woman there. Yes, I'm going back to Georgia, found me a woman there. She's a pretty brown flame, long black wavy hair. There is peaches in the morning, peaches night and noon. Oh, now, May boy, yes, it's really you. As I'm going back to Georgia, I got me a woman there. I got a pretty brown flame, long black wavy hair. Yeah, play in the space.
My name's Albert McGee. I'm with Virginia State University at the Expo Farm Show in Georgia here. And we're looking at some of the baling processes and some of the machines they got running today. And we just witnessed some of the modern technology that's come along. We got case bale here that drops a single bale, which is net wrapped. And over to the far side of the field, there's a John Deere baler that now come out with a bale accumulator, which allows you to speed up your loading process because the accumulators allowing you to carry 3 bales on the baler, which you can drop them on one end or in one place. So when you come back to the fields to load, that you'll be able to access them and put them all in one load and not run all over the field, which saves a lot of time because time is money. And over here, we have a square bale accumulator called a bale bandit, which in each cube it allows to come from the front baler back to the accumulator. Allows you to stack 41 bales in a cube, which you can pick up with one load, which in most results, one wagon load, normally about 80-some bale. So this accumulator in 2 of these cubes, you got a load right in one place. So really we have come a long ways with the way that we operate equipment these days because of manpower, and it allows the farmers to work more comfortable and speed up their operation.